So I've just received the Anycubic Kobra 3 multicolor 3D printer. This is the box it comes in. So pretty hefty old box. I'm just gonna unbox it and show you what you get in the box. So very well packaged. So I'm very new to 3D printing, so this is my very first 3D printer, so I'm pretty excited. So you get the user manual. So you've got a bag of goodies, you've got a filament tube in there by the looks of it, you've got it looks like a nozzle cleaner as well, which are in there, screws, and oh, you got this for the purge wiper, so it's saying on there as well, and your USB stick as well, which is in there. Oh, the free gift. So I pre-ordered this, and the free gift they give me is a LED lamp component kit, which is pretty cool. I'm guessing that's the head. Cables, more cables, more cables. I think that's to do with the purge. The LED screen. I think this is a filament reel holder. Because this can take, obviously it has the Ace Pro with it, so it also can have the single spool at the top. Ooh, this is heavy. Get it out. Ooh. This must be the Ace Pro. Let's see if I can get this out. Right, so the whole lot has to come up by the looks of it, because I can't get it out any other way, so lift it out. Ooh. Right, so that's out the box. That's in there pretty tight. Alright. So that's the Ace Pro box. Well, it's very, very well packed. And there's the bed. Put that over there. Just take the Ace Pro box out. So this is the Ace Pro box. So let's get this out. and that's the OS Pro box. So all we have, get rid of this, do that, and I can lay it down on the floor, give you an idea of the size. There, there. Just pull this back a bit so I can get everything in view. So that is everything that you get in the box. So in the bag, you get, I think this is an extruder cleaner or nozzle cleaner, some screws for print head screws. That's a cable to keep the cables on. You get a small amount of filament, test filament, and obviously the filament tubing, and some Allen keys, tools, some more screws, spanners. I've no idea, it's cable to cable tidies, and then obviously the USB stick. You get some lubricant, and I have no idea what that's for. I guess I'll find out when I start putting it together. So that's what you get in the goodie bag. So inside the Ace Pro, that's obviously your filament tubing, which go at the back here. Right, so this is what you get in the Anycubic Kobra 3 combo box. I've got to say, so far I'm very impressed. The way it's packaged, it doesn't look like there's going to be a lot of building to do on it either, which is good for me, for a newbie. So next video I'll do will be putting it together, and then I'll do some videos on how it actually prints out. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and keep an eye out for my next video.